Indoor comfort is about more than just temperature, it's also about air quality, consistency, and how a home feels throughout the day. Older windows can quietly undermine all of these factors by allowing drafts, humidity, and outdoor pollutants to enter your living space. For homeowners in Coppell, installing new windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance both comfort and indoor air quality, creating a healthier and more enjoyable home environment. Reducing drafts and temperature fluctuations. Old or poorly sealed windows often allow outside air to seep in, creating drafts and uneven temperatures from room to room. These drafts can make certain areas of the home feel uncomfortable no matter how much you adjust the thermostat. New windows are designed with improved sealing and tighter frames that reduce air leaks. In Coppell homes, this helps maintain stable indoor temperatures, making living spaces feel consistently comfortable throughout the day. Supporting better indoor air quality. Gaps, cracks, and worn seals around older windows can allow dust, pollen, and other outdoor pollutants to enter the home. Over time, this can negatively affect indoor air quality and make the home feel stuffy or uncomfortable. New windows create a stronger barrier between indoor and outdoor environments. For Coppell homeowners, this means cleaner indoor air and fewer airborne irritants entering through window openings. Managing humidity more effectively. Humidity plays a major role in how comfortable a home feels. When windows don't seal properly, excess moisture can enter the home, making indoor air feel heavy and uncomfortable. New windows help regulate moisture by preventing unwanted air and humidity from entering. In Coppell homes, this supports a fresher indoor environment and reduces that sticky, uncomfortable feeling often associated with poor airflow. Improving natural ventilation options. Many modern window designs offer improved ventilation features that allow homeowners to bring in fresh air when desired. Operable windows that open smoothly and seal tightly when closed make it easier to control airflow. For Coppell residents, this means better control over indoor air circulation without compromising comfort or efficiency. Enhancing energy efficiency and comfort together. New windows don't just improve comfort, they also support energy efficiency. By reducing heat transfer and air leakage, heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain comfortable temperatures. In Coppell homes, this results in a more comfortable indoor environment while also supporting lower energy usage. Reducing outside noise for a calmer interior. Comfort includes peace and quiet. Older windows often allow more outdoor noise to travel into the home, disrupting daily activities and relaxation. New windows, especially those with multi-pane glass, help reduce noise infiltration. For Coppell homeowners, this creates quieter living spaces that feel more relaxing and private. Allowing natural light without discomfort. Natural light improves mood and makes spaces feel more open, but older windows may allow excessive heat along with sunlight. Modern windows are designed to let in daylight while managing heat transfer. In Coppell homes, this creates bright interiors without overheating, supporting both comfort and air quality. Supporting healthier living spaces. Better indoor air quality contributes to overall well-being. By reducing pollutants, managing humidity, and improving ventilation, new windows help create a healthier living environment. For Coppell families, this can mean fewer indoor air issues and a more pleasant home atmosphere. Professional installation ensures lasting results. Even the best windows won't deliver full benefits without proper installation. Professional installation ensures windows are sealed, aligned, and insulated correctly. In Coppell homes, expert installation ensures comfort and air quality improvements last for years. A comfortable, healthier home in Coppell. New windows offer more than an aesthetic upgrade. They transform how a home feels and functions. By reducing drafts, improving air quality, managing humidity, and enhancing ventilation, they create a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment. For homeowners in Coppell, new windows are a smart investment in daily comfort, clean air, and long-term peace of mind.